Right, I'm requesting you to please stay on with me. We have some more information about the driver. His name is Gaurav Singh and he was in class 12th. He was returning from a farewell party with his girlfriend when his Maruti Swift car struck a motorcycle, then auto rickshaw and e-rickshaw, and then ran over pedestrians crossing the road. A 6-year-old child was killed in the accident while 5 others were seriously injured. Abhishek, do we perhaps know whether this class 12th boy Gaurav was a minor or not?
Right now what we are learning that he is not minor. In the initial investigation there were things came out that he is a student of class 12th and he is minor, but after the intense investigation of the police things came out that he is not minor. He has crossed his age of minor and now he is under the custody of the police and interrogation is being done against him. What was his likely the speed of his at the time of the incident, where he was coming from. Although we are learning that he is coming from his farewell party, he was a student of class 12 of Awadh college and he was accompanied with one of his colleagues, his friends, who was there at the time of the incident in the car, and police also detained her after the incident and recovered the car and arrested Gaurav, and many questions are being asked from him, where he got the car, whose car is this. Gaurav also told police that the car he has been taken from one of his relatives for his farewell party. When the whole incident occurred, he was this much frightened that he flew away from the spot. But police recovered him in not more than 1 hour. Police took not more than 1 hour to not only recover the car but also arrested Gaurav. Right now, the police is not only interrogating him but also collecting the evidences from the spot, and also you can see the car over here through which the whole incident occurred, and the condition of the car shows that what was exactly the speed. Speed was not only over but also uncontrollable, and because of this reason this whole incident occurred. Yes.
Additionally, Abhishek, you've mentioned that the police is building an airtight case in this scenario, and that also it didn't take police more than an hour to arrest this person behind the wheel. Do we know what sections this person will be booked under by the police after this deadly accident?
This the whole accident light motor vehicle act is being imposed against him, and also a non-cognizable offense. This is a non-cognizable offense. The imprisonment is not more than 7 years, and also in the whole incident his driving license was not with him. He is not holding a driving license with him, and the paper of the car are also being taken care of, that the insurance and the other papers are there in the car or not. So police is right now also doing the whole paperwork, and an airtight case is being registered against him, what we are learning from the sources.
All right. Additionally, do you have more details about this